How to shrink enlarged prostate naturally. You might be wondering what you can do to shrink your prostate if it has been determined to be big. Thankfully, there are several non-invasive natural remedies that help shrink an enlarged prostate without the need of medications or surgery. One of the greatest ways to decrease an enlarged prostate is to eat a healthy, vitamin, mineral-enriched diet. Among the essential components that are present in large quantities in fruits and vegetables are zinc, vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and consuming a variety of fruits and vegetables can help your body acquire the nutrition it needs to stay healthy. Consuming foods strong in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, tuna, sardines, walnuts, and flaxseed may also help to shrink the size of an enlarged prostate. Because they reduce inflammation throughout the body, omega-3 fatty acids are known to be beneficial for prostate health. What food is good for enlarged prostate? Eating the right foods can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being and can help reduce the size of your prostate. Cruciferous foods, such as cabbage, kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, garlic, and ginger root, are some of the best foods for an enlarged prostate. In addition to these, foods high in antioxidants include celery, oranges, grapefruit, strawberries, blueberries, apples, strawberries, and strawberries. For those with enlarged prostates, flaxseed oil and other meals high in omega-3 fatty acids are advantageous. What foods are bad for enlarged prostate? You must pay close attention to your diet. Watch what you consume because some foods may exacerbate the symptoms of an enlarged prostate. The following foods are some of the worst for an enlarged prostate. Number 1, fried and processed food. Number 2, alcohol. Number 3, red meat. Number 4, dairy products. By avoiding these things and implementing a balanced diet, you can lower your risk of developing an enlarged prostate and minimize its symptoms. Good fruits for enlarged prostate. Fruits are an excellent way to help decrease an enlarged prostate. Because they are a fantastic source of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, they can help you maintain the health and functionality of your prostate. Here are some of the best fruits to include in your diet to help shrink an enlarged prostate: pineapple, strawberries, blueberries, papaya, mango, melon, apple. Vitamins to avoid with enlarged prostate. Knowing which vitamins and supplements can harm you while treating an enlarged prostate is essential. Your health and the efficacy of any treatments you might be receiving for your enlargement of the prostate depend on you knowing which vitamins and supplements to stay away from. Promethazine, also referred to as Phenergan, is a prescription antihistamine that is a member of the phenothiazines drug class. It works by stopping histamine from interacting with the histamine receptors within the body. The benefits of vitamins and supplements. Vitamins and supplements are essential parts of a healthy diet. They may help improve overall wellness and specific biological systems, as well as energy levels. Some of the most well-liked vitamins and supplements are vitamin A, B-complex vitamins, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, magnesium, zinc, omega-3 fatty acids, and probiotics. Each of these has a number of benefits. While it is recommended to get your vitamins and supplements from meals like fruits and vegetables, some individuals might discover that taking additional supplements is advantageous. Consult your healthcare provider to learn what's best for you. By taking vitamins and supplements in the proper dosages, you can improve your overall health. If you are looking for natural supplements to shrink your enlarged prostate naturally, check out the description box.